So what is more important, consistency of your habits or all out 100% everything you've got intensity of following those habits? I ask this because a lot of times we fall into this trap where we are willing to compromise consistent application of our habits, whether it's diet or exercise, for the sake of always doing things 100%, all we've got, going all out kind of things. Like I've got to put in every ounce of energy I've got in my workout. I've got to eat 100% clean all the time. And what ends up usually happening is we find that's not realistic. You can't go 100 miles an hour every mile that you're driving your car, right? So as a result, we think, well, if I can't go 100% or if I can't do it all, then I go with nothing, which ends up compromising our consistency. And it makes sense because more and harder and going with more effort is more effective than going at a snail's pace. However, don't forget that there is nothing you can do from a diet or exercise standpoint that can possibly work once. Like I can't possibly give you a workout that's going to give you the strength and the body that you want. There's no way in hell. Instead, it's just like building up a brick wall. No brick in and of itself is going to stop the Mongol hordes from coming down into northern China, but you stack those suckers up over time and you get a very imposing barrier that can do that. And your fitness is exactly the same way. You have to stack up your habits, your diet, your exercise habits, because nothing possibly works once in a while. And in order to do that, ironically enough, you can't go 100% all out all the time. Again, it's like driving your car. You can't go highway speeds right out of your driveway till you reach your destination. You have to slow down, you have to speed up. You move at whatever speed you can in order to consistently move forward when you can. So it's consistency that ultimately gets you to your destination, using intensity and speed when it becomes available to you. So it's not that, no, don't worry about intensity, just take it nice and easy and consistently will eventually get you there. It's more of use intensity, make this very flexible in order to maintain your consistency. So you can work out, for example, weeks on end, but sometimes your workouts are longer. Sometimes your workouts are more intense. Other times you're like, I don't have any time. I got no energy. I'm just going to do a couple quick sets and call it a day. That maintains your consistency. Same thing with diet, right? You're like, all right, today ate super clean. Other days it's like, well, I had an apple, but we had pizza for lunch and stuff. But what did you get consistently that day? Well, I had protein at each meal, or I followed my 3 Ps, or I made sure that I drank plenty of water. Whatever it is, it's the consistency that's going to get you the long-term results. And the intensity is great when you can afford it, but don't rely on that for consistent application, because no one can go 100% all out all the time. So scale and adjust the effort and intensity you have in your diet and exercise habits, maintain the consistency, and that's what's going to be most important for your long-term progress that you can also maintain as well. Love to hear your thoughts on this down below. Don't forget, check out reddeltaproject.com. Tons of ebooks and stuff there for you for free. I'll talk to you later. Till then, be fit, live free.